Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how you can update your billing address on AiSensy. So you need to log into AiSensy dashboard. Just make sure you log in with your admin access because manager and agent access don't have the provision to update the billing address. So log in with your admin access, go to manage, go to billings and usage section, scroll down a little and you'll see a billing address column here. Click on edit and whatever new billing address, or if you want to update your billing address, or if you want to add your billing address, you can add it from here itself. Click on billing address. For example, I need to change it to Mohit Dua. Email is mohit@asency.com. This is the phone number. This looks fine. This could be like suppose sector 18 could count. If you have a GST number, you can put in a GST number here. This is an optional field, but yes, if you have a GST number, we would recommend you to put in the GST details here as well, so that you can input the GST credits every month, and just click on update. If you want to update your shipping address also, you can update from here itself, but majorly in your invoices, billing address would be something which would be mentioned. Mohit@asency.com, and this looks fine. And once you click on update, this will get updated and you can simply close it. So this is how simply you can update your billing or shipping address for your invoices. Thank you.